You love the look of exterior lighting, but lighting contractors cost a fortune. And wiring your own lights? Well, don't try that at home. You need Disc Lights by Bell & Howell, the portable, powerful, solar-powered LED outdoor lights that mount flat to the ground to create incredible cascades of light. Best of all, there's no wiring at all. Just press Disc Light flat to the ground and you're done. Bell & Howell Disc Lights utilize light conversion technology that absorb the sun's energy in storage cells, where it's converted into solar-powered electricity. So when the sun goes down, disc lights come up for 10 full hours and turn off automatically in daylight. There's even a switch to turn them on and off manually. Add disc lights to accent your garden or to add ambiance by the back deck or beside the pool. Place one for a specialized accent light or an entire group for amazing landscape lighting. Each Bell & Howell disc light contains ultra-bright LEDs that last over 10 years in a durable, weatherproof stainless steel housing, and they're low enough and tough enough that you can even mow right over them. Remove the stick and lay them on any flat surface to add light to that dark walkway, highlight steps and stairs for safe passage, or just to add inviting accent lighting to your outdoor living. Use the hook and loop strips to mount vertically, so now you can actually see the food you've got cooking on the grill, or add some extra light on the barn or backyard storage shed. And disc lights help to deter nighttime intruders. So which house do you think the thieves would hit? Only disc lights carry the Bell & Howell name, the brand your family has trusted since 1907. Whether you stake them, hang them, or lay them flat, disc lights deliver the right look and light in a snap. So you can spend up to $1,000 or more on pathway landscape lighting installed by a professional. Or you can get this set of 4 Bell & Howell disc lights for just $19.95, and we'll even ship it to you free. But wait, order today and you can get a second set of 4 disc lights. Just pay a separate fee. So don't delay. Order your Bell & Howell disc lights today. Just $19.95. Call now.